Alright, so just give an update on this gloomy Sunday morning. I'm coming outside to start some seeds. I'm going to put some radish and maybe some turnips out. But just to kind of give you an idea on what's going on, there it is right there. Y'all seen that already. I still have to pull this part up. I'm going to try it now that it is wet. This part will come up easier, hopefully. Okay, so the center has always been the hardest part to work with, no matter what, because there's so much gray clay in here. Until you see how all these weeds are right here, it's hard to get all that up because of the clay. So that's what I'll be working with. But anyway, more importantly, I'm going to come over here. So you see I have this whole row ready to go. Right? I'll show you here. Okay, so I have the emitters. Let me see where they go. Basically right here. Okay, so you got one right here. Another one right here. So right here at the holes is where the emitters are. Emitters is just being where the water drips out. Okay, so basically it's right there. I'm going to plant in the center. The emitters are right there. I'll see if I can move the whole pipe over to kind of make the emitter closer to the center, but it won't matter. When water goes in there, it'll expand through the soil, so it'll suck it up and it'll still water the plants. Anyway, just kind of give you an idea. That's how the same thing on the back row. See the water emitter right there. There's the emitter right there. There's the hole, obviously. So that's how it's set up. So now I'm going to put some radish out here. Alright, so I'm going to start off with these. Radish right here. There's the other ones. Start off with these two. I'm going to put those on the back. And then just kind of go from there. I put these in the back because they grow. They need a longer growing period. And once I get those, then I put some of these Easter eggs out toward the front. These grow pretty quick. So I'll go ahead and put some of these in the front. And I'll find something else to put out there. So you have a lot of different kinds. You got these French breakfasts right here. Watermelon radish, those are good. I have these black radish right here. These are very healthy. I use those for herbal teas as well. I have this wasabi radish, and yes, they are hot. So yep, that's what I'm about to go out here and plant. Have to catch it while the weather is permitting. All right, well, Bountiful Roots, y'all have a good day. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bountiful Roots out.